So this is how you can give feedback in Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Google Forms. Today you will learn how to give feedback to whoever responds to your Google form. So go ahead and open up a new browser or a new tab and then type docs.google.com/forms. Once again, docs.google.com/forms. Now go ahead and enter that out and you will be put to the Docs website or the Google Forms website. And at the bottom, you can see the recent forms. Now, this is the form that I want to give feedback in. So just I'll simply open that up. And now you're going to want to go to settings. And as you can see, there's this make this a quiz option, and I have that turned on. Make sure you have it turned on because as you can see from the description, assign points value, set answers, and automatically provide feedback. So you can give feedback if you make this a quiz. So how do you actually give the feedback? Well, you can go ahead and tap on responses and then tap on questions. So once you tap on questions, as you can see, it says give feedback. So just simply type that and then you can type whatever feedback you want to, like maybe good job if they're answered correctly. So just save that and then they will see that they have a feedback. And so you can go ahead and save that. And if you have more than one question, you can even scroll to the other questions and then give feedbacks to other questions. So that's pretty much it. Once again, just simply go to settings, make it a quiz, and go to responses, tap on questions, and then you can go ahead and add a feedback. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.